Hey Naturally Tool fam, welcome back to another video. So guys, today as you can see from the title, I'm doing a twist out on my mother's gray hair using Creme of Nature's Pure Honey Moisture Whip Twisting Cream. If this is something you guys want to see, then definitely stick around. So we have tried twist out before but not using this product, and I really wanted to see what it would look like on her hair based on the results I get when I use it. So from my last video with her hair, you can see that it has grown tremendously, and this is due to her using the aloe vera and rice water mix, as well as she also has another mixture that she uses for herself. But definitely let me know in the comment section if you'd like to get some more information on that as well. So guys, the first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead to detangle. Her hair is freshly washed and was separated in plaits, so I'm just going to go ahead and release by plait. I'm not going to do her entire hair at once, and then just go ahead to section, apply the twisting cream to her hair, and then go ahead to do a 2-strand twist. So we're actually doing medium-sized twist for this twist out. You have the option of doing it smaller based on the look that you want for your twist out after. So as you see, I'm going ahead just to section, and then for each section I go ahead to apply a decent amount of the twisting cream to the hair, and then go ahead to do the 2-strand twist. So while we're going through that process, guys, I really wanted to just catch up with you guys. It's been a while since I've done a hair video, especially a hair video with my mother's hair. So guys, let me know down in the comment section if there's any type of hair video that you'd like me to do. I'm open to your suggestions, and I'll just go over them and go ahead to see what can be done for you. And if you're new to the channel, guys, and you are a returning viewer who has been watching my videos and has not subscribed, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I am on my way to 2K subscribers, and I can't wait to get there with your support. Yes. So guys, if at any point in this video you notice that I'm doing a little rocking or trying to do a little dance move, at this point of doing our hair, we were catching up on our Friday evening YouTube videos. I was actually watching a local Jamaican YouTuber who was doing a video that included some dancing with some old-time dancehall music. And of course, I was testing my memory to see what I could remember. My mother, of course, was busy laughing at the persons who weren't getting it right. So we were having a grand time while we did the hair. So I went ahead to give her a side part as I'd normally do with my own hair, and for her, she wears her side part on the right side. So if you realize, her hair naturally has an ombre look going for it. She has a little, well, very gray, whitish gray at the top, a darker gray in the middle, and then her back leads almost to black hair. This kind of mix actually is super fun, especially when she's doing braids, because she gets to mix the colors with, you know, I think it's called M1B and there is gray. So she gets to mix those two colors together when she's doing braids for a nice fun look. So it is the next day. I'm going ahead to add some moisturizer to our hair, and then I'll go ahead to unravel the twist. For some at the back that didn't dry completely, we did use the blow dryer to blow it out a bit. So once your fingers are moist, you can go ahead to unravel the twist, and then you can fluff as needed. So once we were finished unraveling, then I just went ahead to apply some edge control to the front of her hair, and then also to hold it back a bit with a clip based on the styling that we were doing. So guys, here we have the final look. So we do have some amount of definition, however we did get some shrinkage, but definitely liking how it turned out. Let me know down in the comment section what you think about this look, and we'll see you again in the next video. Until next time, continue to be your most authentic self and stay naturally.